Hey, I'm Matt Crosby. I'm here at the 2025 Zenith Homecoming, enjoying myself. Flew in from Colorado. I've got the 750 STOL. Started building it in 2018 and finished it up in 2022. Got it powered with the Viking 130 horsepower and the adjustable prop. So I've been really happy with the platform. Got about 272 hours on it. I hopefully am retired now, so I got a bucket list of wanting to take off and land and camp in the 48 lower states. So I've got Florida knocked out, Missouri knocked out, and soon I'll start on that trip and maybe take a year to do it or something. I'm in no hurry, but I've been real happy with the plane and the engine combination. I like the slow flight. I can continue to fly in front of the plane with it going slow, so I don't have to worry about getting behind the plane. And I can put all my camping gear in there and take off and land, and got pretty good range on it. So I've been really happy with the build. Looking forward to maybe possibly building another one. So I've really enjoyed the build and the Zenith family, the Viking family. It's really nice to come out to the homecoming every year. I missed it last year because my nephew didn't plan his wedding properly, but I try to fly out to all the homecoming. It's just really nice to see people's builds and talk to the people that are thinking about building and get ideas and little gadgets and things that people do. So I've really enjoyed my time out here, and as you can see, it's pretty stressful. So a little hotter than I like it this time of year, but it's really enjoyable time.